In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Upsell to the carts in Shopify. So in order to do that, once you're logged in into your admin Shopify, make sure to go to the App Store to install an app. So once we go to the App Store, we can just go and type free Upsell cart. Once we do so, of course, this is because I want to provide you with a free option. If you want, there are a lot of apps that are paid that can do the same thing, maybe even a little bit better if you want, but most of these Upsell like cart apps are paid. So I did some research and I found this free option that is amazing. We'll go through it. So you can just go and install the application. Instead of open, you'll find install, click on install, and it should start installing. Before using the app, you will need to enable it into your theme. So you'll find enable app, just go and click on enable. So once you click on enable, they will enable this per default. All you need to do, just go and hit the save button at the top right. So as you can see, they enable it here per default. So once it's enabled, you can just go here and click on refresh status and it should be completed. Now on the left panel, you should find the cart editor. Before going through that, let me just go and view my online store at the moment. So this is my online store right now. If I go to my carts, as you can see, my cart is there. It's empty. Doesn't have any upsells. It doesn't have anything. So let's just see how it's going to look like after we edit it. So on this left panel, let's just go and click on Cart Editor. This will open the app for us, or the Cart Editor app for us. Here, we'll be able to add the upsells. From here, you can start by editing the design in some general settings if you want to. It's totally up to you. Also the header, if you want to edit the header, if you want to edit the body as example as well. So from this body, we'll be able to add stuff to our cart. Like example, announcements. If we enable that, so they will add an announcement like your products are reserved for 1 minute. And after that example, they will be gone. So you can change the announcement message to whatever you want, and also the timer duration. Maybe let's make it 5 minutes instead. You can hide the countdown, repeat the countdown, or remove all items if you want to. When as example, the time finishes. So then we have the reward bar here, where you'll be able to get a reward, maybe like free shipping, like something like that. So at least buy 2 to get a free shipping. And you'll be able to add a lot of tiers. So we have the upsell products, which is the most important thing in this video. So if we enable that, we will be able to set up and add the upsell to the cart. So here we can choose AI recommendation, which apps, an example, should be like shown here, or you can do manual selection and browse through the apps or the products that you want to add to the upsell. Specifically, if you want to sell some specific products, you can go and select them. I would prefer if you choose the AI recommendation and make sure not to add something more than 4. It will be annoying to the user. So I'll keep it at 2 and I'll keep it at AI recommendation. So some upsell settings here, like the title, button label, the design, you'll be able to edit it however you want. Once you finish editing all of your stuff, you can edit also the footer if you want to. A lot of things that you can add, like discount code, shipping protection, a lot of other things. You can go to the status at the top left and make it active instead of inactive. Once you do so, you can now just go and click on save at the top right corner. As you saw, just discarded something where you will be able to test it in test mode before deploying it into your main store. You can do that as well. So for me, I'm just going to click on save at the top right. And once everything is saved, so saved successfully, I can just go and quit that at the moment. And let me just go back to my store. I'm going to refresh the store once. And here, I'm going to any products and I'm going to add it to the cart. If I go to the cart right now, as you can see, everything that I added is added. The upsells, the announcements, the timer, and everything. So this is the products that I added. They're asking me to add this as well. Let me just go and add it. And as you can see, I'll be rewarded a free shipping right now. So I can just go and access the checkout right now. And here you go. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.